What if I tell you your brain can taste this even when it's not really here? Hello everyone, I am Sharani Ponguru, author of Mindset Shift. Small changes, big impact. Have you ever noticed how the first few moments of starting something can decide how the whole experience goes? Two people begin the same task. One starts calmly and gets into the flow. The other starts with tension, distraction, and hesitation. Same task, same situation, but a different experience inside the mind. Why does this happen? If your brain can create a reaction to imaginary ice cream, it can also create confidence, focus, calm, clarity. In the previous videos of this series, we explored suggestion, focus, and procrastination. Today, I want to show you something extremely powerful. But once you understand it, you can use it deliberately. It's called anchoring. Now, don't worry about the word. It simply means this. Your brain connects feelings with signals. A smell can bring back a memory. A song can bring back an emotion. And sometimes, a very small action can bring back a powerful mental state. Before I explain it further, let's do a small activity and experiment together. Sit comfortably for a moment. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. If you're comfortable, just gently close your eyes. Now imagine something very clearly. Imagine you're holding a cup of cold, creamy ice cream. Your favorite flavor. Maybe chocolate, maybe vanilla, maybe mango. Just see it clearly in your mind. Now imagine I'm holding this cup of ice cream right here in front of you. Slowly lift the cup, and now I'm slowly bringing it closer to you. Move the cup slowly closer. As it comes closer, you might begin to notice the smell. That sweet, cold, creamy aroma. Imagine taking the first spoon. The cold sweetness touching your tongue. The creamy texture melting slowly. The taste spreading through your mouth. Just notice what your body does. Some people notice their mouth watering. Some people feel a small craving. Some people can almost taste it. Now watch something interesting. Slowly move the cup away. As I slowly move the ice cream away from you, notice what happens. The smell becomes lighter. The taste sensation becomes softer. The cravings begins to fade. Now I bring the cup closer again. Move it closer again. And notice how your mind can recreate the experience again. Closer, stronger smell, stronger taste. Now slowly open your eyes. Let me ask you something. Was there actually any real ice cream? No. And yet, your brain reacted. Maybe your mouth watered. Maybe you imagined the smell. Maybe you could almost taste it. That's the power of the mind responding to suggestion and imagination. Sometimes the smallest signals create the biggest shifts. In the next video, we're going to talk about something that affects both students and adults before important moments. Anxiety. That feeling when your heart beats faster, when your thoughts start rushing, even though you know what to do. And I'll show you a very simple technique to calm your mind in less than 1 minute. If this series is helping you understand your mind better, follow along. Because once you learn to guide your mind, life becomes less stressful and much more powerful. I'll see you in the next video.